Hello everyone, I welcome you back into another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Coinbase Wallet. Okay, so Coinbase Wallet is basically an add-on or an extension that you can get on your Google Chrome. So basically you need to have an account on Coinbase, and once you do that, Coinbase is obviously your crypto exchange application, and you can download Coinbase Wallet on your iOS, Android, Brave, and even your Chrome. So it's an extension for Chrome that you can get, and I would definitely urge users out there to use this for yourself, because trust me, it works absolutely incredibly. The wallet address is there. You can add it to your Chrome in the easiest way. And once you've added it, all you're going to need to do from there is just log in with your account and you're good to go. And you can basically buy crypto, send crypto. There's decentralized financing. You can also add in NFTs and, actually mint them through your Coinbase wallet, and it's a good wallet to work with. It's just like your MetaMask wallet, but I would prefer using Coinbase Wallet, you know, because just because the features are much more efficient and much more better in my opinion. So all it's going to ask you to do is either create a new wallet or, you already have a wallet. So, you're going to first copy the things in your wallet. Like say, here's the thing of your wallet. You're going to copy this and paste it somewhere else. And, you're going to go over here and you're going to click on the first and the last word. Okay. So, the first last word is mimic, last word is farm. So you're going to go to mimic and you're going to go to farm. And then you submit this. And obviously, if this is correct, they're going to tell you to create a password. So you are going to create a password real quick. And once you create a password, you're going to verify your password. And once you verify the password real quick, you're probably wondering, why is it not asking me my email or anything like that? Now, the reason for that is you don't really need an email. It's just going to give you the code, and it's when you're logging, it's, you can also claim stuff. So here you go. You buy, swap, bridge, send, receive.
You want to hit the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then you want to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Now when you're at the menu, you want to click on settings and privacy. And now you want to scroll down and click business tools and controls. This menu is very important. Let's start from the bottom and let me explain you how to utilize it. First thing that you want to see at the bottom of the page, you can actually request a verification. You can change your profile. You can set up a shop, okay? Meaning you can actually create or link products that you already have on other pages, Facebook page or third-party website, and you can simply sell stuff over here. But that's not the most important part. The most important part is the next step, which is essentially you can add a new professional account, meaning that you could have someone who is managing the whole process for you. You delegate the whole process and you simply are hands off. The next step, I truly believe, is the most important. A lot of people will be looking for it, will be over here. Switch account type. When you click on this one, you will have the option to change your account type. From the current, in my case, business account, I can switch to personal or to creator, and vice versa. If you currently have a creator or personal account, you can switch to business account and you can utilize all the features. You can create the store like I showed you. You can simply create an additional professional account where you can actually set up a team so people can actually work for you. You don't have to put the work in. Okay. The next point over here is that you can essentially schedule an appointments and you can receive an appointments. Essentially, if you have a customers and if you want to do, for example, consulting or like a meeting, you can do so over here. This is another new feature. They're trying to essentially cut the chase with apps or softwares like Zoom, right, who are running usually the meetings. The next option, of course, is the monetization status. Here you will see every program that you're eligible to get monetized for. Is it going to be ads? Is it going to be running bonuses from time to time, where Instagram will pay you if you publish a certain amount of reels, or a certain amount of pictures, or a certain amount of videos. Very helpful, very interesting. Again, you can limit over here the type of reach and audience, in which you can simply limit the age of the audience. This is where the connectivity with the Facebook page I mentioned earlier comes into play. Okay, so if you click connect and create a Facebook page, this is very cool because, like I mentioned, you can simply create your page and list all the products or services you're selling, right? and then link the whole page with the products and services here on this page. And you can sell it on both pages. So just think about, you could expect a double traffic. Why? Because there are people who are on Instagram and who are no longer on Facebook and vice versa. Next, you have something that I believe it's not so helpful. Frequently asked questions. Essentially, if you running a business and people come on your page and want to ask you a lot of questions, you can simply create a small section where you could simply input questions, and you could set up an automatic replies. This is like when the store is closed, when you're not online, people still gonna get answers and will get taken care of. Okay. Again, you have saved replies. So essentially here you could simply create very and automatic replies to the people. Like for example, if 100 out of 105 people ask the same question, you could actually craft a answer that will fit all these 100 people and will be okay, and it will sign that it's you, but it's not you, right? It's an automatic response, right? Next option will be response suggestion. This is something similar. The next one is, I believe, important. It's link profile to shops, right? Here you can simply link and give permissions to other shops to run the profile and to run the pages. This is very cool because you could simply link up to 5 shops. So if you have 5 different stores, this is very helpful, simply because now you could simply cross post or cross promote from one shop to another. And it's cool because you're most likely going to be selling different products, right? It's not going to be the same product, it's not going to be similar products. And now if somebody buys product 1, you can promote in products 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So you can essentially get 5 sales from one customer simply by having all the shops linked together. I hope you guys get the idea over here. You can scale up 5x simultaneously. Next option will be over here, partnership ads. This essentially if you have a brand deal, or essentially if you're running your own ads, and you have to mention, you have to set up a label, and you have to mark the particular ad that this is a brand deal, this is a sponsorship. There is a financial incentive for you to posting this type of content or product. Then you have the cross posting, something that I tried to explain earlier. So for example, you can essentially post stuff that are created on Facebook and could be automatically published on Reels here on Instagram. As we all know, you can publish Facebook Reels and you can publish Instagram Reels. But if you actually cross post, meaning that every time when you publish here on Instagram, it will show up on Facebook Reels and on Facebook on your page, Facebook page, like I mentioned, if you actually link your page. So this is why this is very helpful. This is simply allowing you to have a double, if not triple the traffic for free. You don't do extra work. All you gotta do when you're publishing, you just have to put on the function of posting the same exact content simultaneously on Facebook. Next page is branded content. Like I mentioned, brand deal, sponsorship, something that is not related to you, right? Somebody is reaching out, could you make a video about this? Could you put this picture with this link on our website, right? You should always include the information that this is a brand deal. And the last one will be, of course, the ad payments. This is where you essentially pay if you run ads. If you have a Facebook account and you run ads previously, you could simply link this account and essentially run the ads. It's very good because you can actually track the performance, and you can essentially see which ads are performing better and converting better. The more money you spend, unfortunately or fortunately, on Facebook ads, you will see which ads actually convert, and this will save you money in the future if you really know how to read ads and understand the conversion rates and understand what type of content actually works.
There's 3 main things that you're going to need to know. So first of all, you're going to make sure that your account is a professional account. Okay, if your account is not professional, nothing will actually grow for you. So make sure you have a professional account. Then secondly, you're going to want to upload mostly weekly. Okay, if you upload daily, that's a big standpoint, but I would definitely urge you to upload weekly, like at least 3 to 4 videos per week, or 3 to 4 engaging pictures per week. Then make sure to sign up for the verification badge, because meta verification is pretty important as well. Once you do that, make sure to do a little marketing. Okay, you can do marketing through platforms like Shopify, and there's different social media marketing platforms as well. You can also try to pay people on Fiverr and LinkedIn to market for you to improve your SEO. And last and final thing is to sign up with the actual Meta Business Center. Okay, so you're going to come to more, you're going to click on settings, and once you do that, you're going to make sure to go into your account center and make a professional Meta account and start campaigning over there, because that will help you tons. Okay.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. Let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You click on it, then you want to go and click on the 3 straight lines on the top right corner. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to slowly scroll down to the section that will simply allow you to find the blocked accounts, which is who can see your content. The second to the last is blocked. As you can see, we have 7 blocked accounts. We want to click on blocked section, and we're going to unblock the first account over here, which is this one. Unblock this account. This is what actually going to happen. After I unblock this account, they essentially will be able to interact, to post. I will be able to see their content, and everything will be as usual. The most important part is that when they got blocked, and now when they're unblocked, they will not get notified for none of these actions, which it's something that I believe a lot of people are looking for. As you saw, the account is already unblocked, and we can simply go ahead, find them, watch them, and keep interacting with them. This is how easy you can unblock someone on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change, remove and replace a song on your Instagram post. First thing you want to do, let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the lower center of the screen and you want to hit the plus sign. Then you want to pick a picture that you want to upload. It's going to be this one. Let's pick up a song over here, clicking on the upper center of the screen, clicking on the note icon. Okay. And then let's pick up a song. Let's do this one over here. Then you press done. The song is already with our post. Then press next. And right when we're at the last step over here before posting, let's say we want to replace the song. The song is not good, right? So we're gonna scroll down. You're gonna see our song appears over here. How are we gonna change the song? First thing, we want to remove the song by simply clicking the X. Okay, now we want to add song by simply clicking add music. You do not have to go back. As you saw, you can do it from this particular page, and you can reselect a brand new song over here. It's very simple, it's very easy. After you select your new song, all you gotta do is to scroll down, finish with your setup, metadata, title, hashtags, description, location. You can tag people, and then that's about it. You can also automatically post this on Facebook as well, or on your other Instagram pages if you have some. And this is how you change, replace or add music to your Instagram post. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a post on Instagram. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner on your profile picture. Then click on the top right corner at the 3 straight lines. Now I want you to see there is a special section under this menu. It's called schedule content. If you click on it, this is where your content for publishing will be scheduled and will be stored. Guess what? We don't have anything scheduled right now. Let me show how you going to schedule a post. Click schedule now. So as you can see, we were forward to a brand new post. Let's select a piece of content that we want to upload. Let's select this one. You can also select multiple images or videos by simply clicking on the double square over here. Now let's move on. And the last step, right before usual post and click share, you have an option over here to click advanced settings. When you click on advanced settings, you will have an option over here to click on schedule these posts. When you click on this, you will have a special set of day, time, minutes, and time of the day in which you want to schedule the posts, right? When you set all that, you will be able, as for example, click done, to schedule this post, as you can see over here, for Saturday, January 13th, right at 4:50 p.m. This is very useful, especially if you're traveling overseas and you have a lot of your followers being from your own country, so there should be a time difference, and you want to make sure that the content is published at the right time when your followers are active. So you might be on the flight, on the plane, but your post will go live and everything will go as usual. And this is how you schedule a post on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can grow fast on Instagram. Very easy, very simple, guys. Let's launch the Instagram app first. For example, you gotta go after your passion. You gotta go after particular niches and industries. What I'm even talking about. Well, guys, think about it. If you, for example, are into surfing, yeah, right? Let's say I want to become a very successful team page creator on the surfing, and I'm gonna sell a lot of print on demand windsurfing shirts and hoodies and accessories and stuff, right? So I want to follow a lot of these people who are gaining a lot of traction. Then I want to go over here on each and every post and follow the people who are commenting. Most likely all these people are surfers, and as you can see over here, everyone is commenting and talking about the windsurf. No one is actually talking about anything else. Everyone is talking about the weather, the surf, the wave, right? So you follow all these people, and believe it or not, 30 to 40% of these people will follow you back. So first of all, this is how you're gonna gain a lot of new followers. The second thing that you will gonna do is essentially you wanna go to the profile of the person, and you wanna make sure that they have a very consistent posting, meaning that they're publishing every single day. If they publish every single day, you have a chance every single day to gain new followers and new inspiration. Essentially, you can start reposting their content on your page, on your story, and essentially you can create a carousel post. What I'm even saying, guys. So for example, I can essentially go over here, right? We don't want to share reels. Let's go over her pictures. Let's say we want to share a picture of something like this, right? You want to repost this picture, and then you want to create a brand new post with carousel. You click on the plus sign, and let's say, for example, we want to put her picture, and then we're going to select the double square over here, and we're going to add 3-4 different pictures with our products. Or we can add 3-4 different pictures with let's say weather conditions about surfing, something about surfing, like a quotes about surfing, some overall generic images. Maybe you can get inspiration from Pinterest, but you want to make sure that you include in one of these carousel pictures one of your products, okay? And this is how you gain traction. This is how you create the first community of already engaged people that are already interested. They already want to buy. They already are into this particular niche. All you gotta do is to offer them the great product and to first of all gain their trust. And this is how you can do both things that I just explained to you in a very simple manner. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you a lot of tips how you can grow on social media in 2024. Things have been changing dramatically since 2021, so now we have another update for 2024. The first tip that I'm gonna share with you guys is to choose your best type of content. What this even means. What is the type of content that you can create at the highest quality possible, and so far you've seen the best results? Is it the pictures? Is it the videos? Is it simply a text post? So defining this simply will define your best way to get viral on the best platform. If you're text-based creator, if you just write a viral text content, probably Twitter and X will be the best platform for you, or Medium. If you're creating amazing pictures, well, guess what? Instagram probably will be the best place for you to actually join and publish and post and create and grow. Because remember, all these platforms are simply related to monetization, and number one source of monetization is always brand deals. So if you're one of the best in the niche, if you're one of the best on the platform, if you're in top 1000, right? Nobody talks about top 10 or number one. But if you're in top 1000, you still have a very, very high chance to get a brand deal. Sure, you might rely on your own digital products. You might be selling, transcripts. You might be selling stories. You might be selling digital books. You might be selling postcards, notebooks. You might be selling a physical products such as pens, t-shirts, hoodies. The variety of products you can sell on your own is unlimited. If you're very good in making videos, probably TikTok as the short form content, and YouTube, if you're making a long videos, explanatory tutorial videos, probably will be the best place for you. So after you defined what you're best at, and when you choose the best platform to publish your best content, now is the time to build your own strategy. What I'm even saying, in this particular example, we are going to focus on Instagram because I believe there are a lot more people on Instagram at this point selling products. There are more people on TikTok making content, but I believe the more money are actually made here on Instagram. If you look, majority of the people are actually now focusing on Reels, short format videos, which essentially gives you a very, very short lifespan, meaning that if the video is not amazing, the next video is coming right around the corner, right? You don't have to wait for it. There is no ads in between. Nothing is interrupting you. It's not like the long format video on YouTube where in the middle of the video you have 3, 4, 5 different ads which might actually distract you. So over here you want to focus and follow people that are already working very well, that are proved to be leaders, that prove to have a very strong opinion that is appreciated from the audience. You want to make sure that you understand why their opinion matters more than the opinion of other people in the brand or in the niche. And you want to make sure you try to find a way how they actually make money. I'm not saying that you should copy them. All I'm trying to say is that you need to understand what works, and you need to understand this fast. As faster you do it, the less time you should wait until you actually get monetized. Look what kind of brand deals these people have. For example, if I click on this guy, this is one of the best windsurfing professionals, right? And if you look and if you scroll, and he has a pretty good engagement for this particular sport. This is not F1, right, guys? This is a much lower range of viewership and much less targeted place. But if you look at what probably potential brandship looks like, right, you might understand that, hey, the brands that they work with him and they offer him sponsorship might be interested to offer you something if you're into this industry, if you have a similar vibe, similar audience. No one said that if the person that you try to get inspired from has 100,000 followers, you should have 100,000 followers. Believe me, in this area, I believe in Instagram you can get the first brand deal in the range between 5 to 10,000 followers easily if your content is good and you have a good engagement. Good engagement, I'm speaking about at least 10% of your followers are always coming, watching your videos or liking or interacting with the posts, meaning on 5,000 followers, you need to see at least 500 views on every reels or 500 likes and comments or at least shares on each of the pictures that you're publishing. And this is, in short, how you can actually grow and utilize the algorithm changes in 2024 to grow on social media, guys. It's not only Instagram, it's YouTube, it's TikTok, it's Twitter. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the number of followers on Instagram naturally, organically. Very simple, very easy guys. All you gotta do is to follow the steps. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Let's say whatever niche you wanna get into or you're already into, you wanna make sure that you follow the right people, okay? You don't wanna follow the average or mediocre, right? So for example, if you're into windsurfing over here, right? You wanna make sure that you're following the accounts that are generating the most of the interactions. For example, let's say I'm gonna be following this account over here, Surf Magazine, right? You come over here, you look at the interactions, you look at the reels, they're getting 2.6 million, hundreds of thousands of views on their reels, so probably they're doing something right. So once when you follow somebody who is already doing very well on your niche, all you gotta do is to not copying them but start interacting with their content. What I'm even saying over here, guys? Well, let's scroll to the pictures that are pinned. They're pinned because there is something about it, right? Probably they're selling a product or they're having something that is doing extremely well. If you can see over here, obviously this is a product. There is something like a poster that is ready for sale. Over here there is a magazine, okay? So the pin posts in this particular case are not relevant simply because there is a product attached to it. But you want to see what else actually works pretty well. If you can look, the only picture that they publish over here is this one. Everything else is only reels. So do you see where the first pro tip is coming to play? So obviously in this particular niche, in this particular industry, the videos are performing much better than images. So we already are one step ahead of the competition. We know exactly what type of content we should create. Second step over here, we want to make sure that we realize how to interact with their audience. So sure, you don't want to go and click and see their followers, right? You don't want to go and bother these people. They don't know who you are. But guess what? If you go on their post, for example, and you want to click on the comments and you want to start interacting with people over here, this is the only real organic way to gain their interest to come up back to your profile, probably follow you, probably watch your videos. And this is how you build the trust, build the first representation of generating and increasing the followers organically. Why? Well, simply because you all guys are interested in the same topic, in the same business, in the same ideas. You all hyped or passionate about the same things. So the only way that you could actually show them that you also create content, that you also sell products or making videos, is to simply message under the content of other people who are already generating a lot of leads, having a lot of interactions. This is the pro tip over here, guys. Forget about follow for follow, forget about buying followers. This is the organic way to generate people, real actual people, not bots, who will be coming every single day to your profile, watching your videos and potentially buying your products or services. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use tags on your Instagram posts. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. So for our case over here, we are going to create a brand new post. How are we gonna go about it? Well, let's click on the plus sign in the lower center. Well, over here, let's pick what we really wanna upload. For example, let's say we wanna upload this picture over here. You wanna click next, then you want to click next. Right over here we want to include all of the captions, the titles, the description, everything guys as usual. Don't forget, with the new updates of Instagram algorithm, tags are not actually necessary. I have plenty of new videos that I just released in the last couple of days showing you case examples in which people are going viral. Even people who are running promotional content are not putting hashtags anymore. It almost feels like that the algorithm doesn't want hashtags. But that's just my opinion over here, guys. When you finish with all this editing, include over here the tag function. Do you see the tag function is actually the first one underneath? So in this particular example, we do have Google, right? We have Google search. So if I click on it in the middle of the screen and look for Google, right? For example, this is where Google appears. When you select the account that we want to tag on our content, the tag will appear on the picture. Then you can move the tag wherever you like to, right? In our case, we're going to put it right here. Underneath, you will see the list of different tags that are appearing on the content. For example, if we want to add another tag, for example, I have to click again on the picture, and in this case, let's put Samsung, right? So because we have another tag, we can move it around same way. Now we have two tags, and you see the list grew to two different tags. Let's say, for example, we tag the wrong account. How we are going to remove the tag from the content? All we gotta do is to click on the X sign next to the actual tag in the list underneath. See X, X. Very simple, very easy, guys. When you finish with adding the tags, just press done, then you press share, and everything will be ready to be published. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple images as a slideshow on your Instagram story. Let's jump right into the Instagram app. Let's create a brand new Instagram story. Let's click on the top left corner and hit the plus sign. Now, the pro tip over here to be able to select multiple images or videos is very simple. All you gotta do is to click on the top right corner where you see the select. You wanna see this white background highlighted. So in our example over here, guys, we are going to select two images. We're going to select this one and we're going to select this one over here. Then we click the arrow to proceed with, and as you can see over here, we can add individually. We can essentially, first of all, you can create an additional scene that is coming out of the actual text. Of course, this is a pro feature. As you can see, things could get a little more complicated over here. I'm just giving you an idea. Easiest part, of course, you can just add someone. For example, we can essentially tag, let's say, Volkswagen. Why I said Volkswagen? Because it's over here. It's on the actual commercial, right? Then you can click on the other image on the lower left. You just click and switch from one image to another. When you're done, all you gotta do is to click on the arrow, and as usual, guys, you can post your story for close friends only, or you can post your story for the public. As well, you can send it to your friend as a message, or simply you can send it to a friend's story. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.